Hi everyone, this is a short video on how to embed a Google Doc Cloud assignment as an assignment in Canvas so that students can directly type, edit, and turn into a Google Doc within Canvas. So I'm in an assignment that I've made. I've provided my instructions, and you want to choose some specific settings to make sure students can access a Google Doc assignment. So you're going to focus on the submission type. This is the key part. And you're going to choose External Tool. And External Tool Options, you're going to click Find. Now you have all of these external tool options. Go to Google Docs Cloud Assignment. And it's going to allow you to link the assignment to a Google Doc in your Google Drive. So I'm going to go into the assignment that I would like to attach within my drive. Then I'll select the assignment, click Submit, then Select. I like to have students load this in a new tab, but you don't have to do that. It just allows them to stay within Canvas and then just open a new tab for the Google Doc so they can toggle back and forth. And then of course you can adjust your settings for due dates and who you assign it to, and then click Save. And then students should be able to access that assignment via Google Docs and edit and submit within the assignment. Just make sure you remind students that when they are done, they do need to click Submit to turn in the assignment if they've made changes. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.